Nice. Very nice. Gorgeous. Love it. Let's see the other side. Okay, see there, she's giving you a lot of nose, and she's just kind of running right through it. So if she gives you that much nose to the side, but continue to move forward, make the body doing this way as you go to the tail, and say, no, if you're going to give me that much flexion, I need to have your body as well. So you make that quick correction, and you go right back to it. There's a good step and release. Good. Yeah, very nice. Good. All right, you got the idea. That's nice. Good job.